Interesting conversation indeed on your Monday morning, but from relationships and pets into the relationships, we're heading on over to insurance. Yes, the education continues right here on your Feel Good Breakfast Show with Standard Insurance Limited, bringing you all those important need-to-knows on your Feel Good Breakfast Show this morning. Here's Mosa.
As we continue learning more about short-term insurance with Standard Insurance Limited, today we learn about the crux of insurance, claims. I'm meeting up with Dr. Nolwandle Mbalo, and she's going to help us through it. Today I want to learn more about insurance claims. What is an insurance claim?
That's a moment of truth, Musa. It's a big part in the start, in the process of your relationship with your insurer. I think it's the time where the insurer fulfills its obligation to receive, to investigate and act on a claim that you have filed. Put simply, it's a process through which we seek to replace the items you may have lost or in the process of being damaged in the event of an incident. It is an important process for the customer because that's where your insurance come live for you.
So when should I submit an insurance claim?
It's important to submit your claim immediately. Act quickly to avoid further damages. This is also actually important for you that in the process of fulfilling our obligation, we're going to be asking you questions to recall the details of the incident. So it's important to do it immediately while it's still fresh in your memory. But this is also to ensure that you minimize further damages to the items if it's still in your possession, and also an exacerbation of the resultant damages to your property or your vehicle.
Can a claim be rejected, and what should I do to make sure that doesn't happen to me?
Most of there are cases where a claim is repudiated or rejected. Let's start from the point of the claims are paid on the validity of that claim. And this is actually could be a function of looking in terms of your premiums, whether your premiums are up to date, because we can't pay if you have not actually honored your part. The second part could also relate, for example, in the incident of a vehicle, that you actually had the vehicle driven by an unspecified or unlicensed driver as opposed to the insured. Or in other cases, you could also have a scenario where you've actually not represented the information accurately, using your vehicle for business as opposed to personal use. So these are some of the cases in which, or scenarios in which, your claim can be repudiated or rejected.
Imagine what a nightmare it would be to have your claim rejected. Nobody wants that. See, Standard Insurance Limited totally gets it, and they're here to help you avoid that. Big ups to them.
Protect your next with Standard Insurance Limited. Get up to 20% cash back on your premiums. SMS Expresso to 31492 for a quote.